Hey guys, it's Swifty here. I'm rounding on 2 o'clock, so a little bit of enthusiasm is gone. However, I'm going to walk you guys through how to administer a new user. For example, someone submits a registration form. Awesome! It's going to show up right here, notifications. It's going to change color, there's going to be like a number next to it. You're going to know that there's a notification. When there is, it will say the name of the user and tell them that they have just registered. All new registrations have to be approved by an administrator, and I would really appreciate it if everyone would chip in, especially the first couple of days when I kind of expect we're going to have a few more registered members trying to get in who didn't pre-register. So basically what you would do is you would just click on that notification and it will take you to a page that looks like this. And you don't have to go anywhere, you're just going to click on Administer User. And just because I know it's going to show the email, I'm going to go to mine. Just so Jake's information isn't like out in the open for everyone to see. Okay. So the quickest way to do it, if you already know, so if I go back, it'll show you their gamer tag. They're required to enter a gamer tag when they register, so you'll have that right there. Yeah, I know it's hard to see. I'm working on all the text and everything. So you can do your research from that. When you're confident that you want to approve them, you just go to the drop-down box here, and there will be a link that says Activate Account. You click on Activate Account, you click on Submit, and you're done. Literally, that's it. When they make their first post, you will do the same thing. You go to their account, you click on Administer User, and you go to this drop-down box to go to Groups. Everybody's in a group. Everybody has friends in the group. Okay, and when they make their first post, you'll just go to here to this drop-down box that says Add User, and you'll click on Member, and then you'll click on Submit. So that adds them member permissions because they're in the member group. And when you do that, you always want to make sure to make that group their default. Here you can see Squeaky's part of the members group, the mentors group, and the elders group. This is redundant because I went through and set permissions individually for every group so that they're not stacking on top of one another, they're completely replacing one another. However, if anything goes wrong and that changes, let's keep everybody stacked so that if that changes, we're prepared. So if they're going to be a mentor, don't remove them from the member group. Or if they're going to be an elder, don't remove them from the mentor group or the members group. Just leave them all there. The only one you need to remove is recruit, because that limits what they can see. So when they're a recruit, they can only see the public question and answer forum and the member introduction forum. So no more complaining and whining about, I can find out where to post. Because there's only 2 forums they can post in. And if they post the wrong one, we'll just move it over. Like, it's not rocket science. But just make sure you're only deleting users from the recruit group. And if you're promoting someone, you're leaving their previous group here. And I think it's all pretty self-explanatory. Like, you click on whatever you want to do. And that's really all you need to do with users and groups. That's how you promote them from a recruit to a member after they make their first post, and from a registered user to a recruit when we find out that they are not a troll using the name Dread73. Like, we wouldn't even notice. Are you kidding? Ah, people. Anyway, that's it for activating a new user.